Veritas has developed a base that converts a rotary tool into a small plunge router. The base uses threads common on most full-size Dremel rotary tools and comes with 2 shims to adjust the orientation of the power switch to the desired position. The plunge lock lever secures the depth easily and allows you to keep one hand on the base at all times. The depth stop has a coarse adjustment using the lock knob and a fine adjust to sneak up on the depth setting. Available separately, the fence and center kit allows the user to guide the rotary tool with precision. The fence mounts quickly and easily to the base. For straight lines, you can mount the wide, torfied maple fence to do through or stopped cuts. If you're working on pieces on a bench, the narrow fence will ensure adequate clearance. Replacing the wooden fence with the curved guides allows you to follow an arc or circle. Mounting the circle arm on the guide body will give you the ability to cut circles and arcs. There are 3 interchangeable pins that will register in different ways depending on the style of work being done. If a small pin prick can be tolerated in the work, the pin can be used. The 1/4-inch post registers in a corresponding hole. This is suitable if you don't need to save the center. Finally, if the surface in the center must be kept pristine, the flat disc can be adhered with double-sided tape. The precision adjuster allows the fence setting to be adjusted in tiny increments. Each half turn will move the fence 1/64 of an inch. The plunge base and optional fences will make quick work of light-duty routing tasks like inlay and stringing.
Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt max lithium-ion reciprocating Tiger Saw, PCC 670B, part of the new growing linked system of high-performance tools. This Tiger Saw delivers the speed of cut demanded by the user with a high-performance drivetrain, 1-inch stroke length, and up to 3,000 strokes per minute. At 14.5 inches in length, the PCC 670 is a compact and lightweight reciprocating saw that fits in between studs and easily works in tight areas. A twist-lock tool-free blade change with exposed access takes the hassle out of blade changes. This tool also features a pivoting shoe to keep the saw in contact with cutting material, a variable speed trigger to provide optimum control over cutting applications, and comfortable over-mold grips to reduce vibration and fatigue. 20-volt max 1.5 amp-hour or 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries are compatible with the tool. Both the compact and the max pack batteries deliver the power and runtime needed for the job. The new 20-volt max Tiger Saw reciprocating saw delivers speed of cut, compact size, ease of use, and value demanded on the job site. As part of the new line of Porter Cable 20-volt max linked system tools, it delivers the power you need at the price you want. Get linked with the power and performance of 20-volt max.
Wood handscrew clamps might seem old-fashioned, but they've got uses that no other clamp provides. To begin with, each clamp can provide even pressure along several inches. And this is true even when the jaws aren't parallel. The individually operated hand screws allow the jaws to work over a wide range of angles. And the wooden jaws resist slipping and are less likely to leave marks on your parts. Wood jaws also make it very easy to adapt and modify the clamps for whatever task you have at hand. Available with jaws from 6 to 12 inches long, Bessie's wood handscrew clamps also excel at holding parts during milling operations. Too small to safely hold by hand, can be held securely in the wooden jaws, providing complete control while keeping hands out of the work zone. With little risk of damage to expensive blades, bits, and tools should they accidentally come into contact with the clamp. Woodworkers understand why these clamps have been around for so long and appreciate their versatility using them all around the shop. Not only are they excellent at holding parts during glue-up and assembly, but can be readily adapted to many tasks that other clamps simply can't do.